Hi guys, Mel here. This video has been requested. We are finally going to sit down, it's going to be a long one, and break down how I budget, how I track my bills, how I go around with gig apps for you guys, and show you my handy dandy notebook that I wrote down, how I do it all, and that's what this video is going to be about. If this is not for you, it's totally okay. Don't watch this video, because some of you guys are just interested in different things, and that's totally okay. If you're interested, I highly recommend you watch this when you're ready. Don't watch it, and you can go back to it, but don't watch it if you're not ready. What you need, go get some supplies, a piece of paper and a pen. You don't need anything fancy. I do have a fancy tracker sheet that I found on Amazon that I'm going to share with you guys that I'm going to utilize to keep me accountable and what I'm doing. And if you want to do it too and you think it'll work for you, I'm going to share that with you too. But literally all you need is a pen and a piece of paper. I got all my supplies at the Dollar Tree, besides what I'm going to show you guys after what I got off of Amazon, because I just think it is an amazing find, and I'm so excited to use it, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use it. But all things are going to be happening in this video, so let's jump right in. If it's going too fast, hit the pause button, go back to it when you have more time, and just enjoy. And I hope this really helps you.